Hey guys, welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 355. Technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter in case you want to engage with us there as well. Yo, Jake, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here. Andrew, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. A lot of chat this last couple of days on the Discord. Thank you guys for being awesome supporters and coming in and chatting on our Discord about Uniswap or whatever other token we've been discussing there, right? So again, if you guys haven't done it yet, you should join our Discord. We do have an active community there. The members that are there have been extremely active. Steve, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. On that note, let's move on and start looking at the technicals, right? There's a lot of stuff happening on crypto, mainly because markets went down, right? We're expecting it moving down, sort of, right? Yesterday, I'm not sure if we moved this, but again, we had the bearish divergence, right? Again, so we'll just anchor it to there. Again, action to the downside, we moved down one day. We had managed to hold on to that 20, which was kind of good, right? I like that part. Now, what happened afterwards, right? As you can tell, we went up, right? So we gained a little bit of price, hit that 50, rejected. Right, and on that note, we moved down, right? We even broke below the 20 moving average here on market cap. So we had a lot of money flowing out of the cryptosphere yesterday, right? No peanuts. $17.89 billion, right? Approximately 5.42%. We undid the work of the last, well, let's say, not this 3 days because we undid that with that, but here we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 7 prior days to last week, so like 10 days. We just backed out. Yeah, we just like went back 10 days in crypto, right? With that drop in market cap. Right now we're trying to gain a little bit. Obviously we're getting pulled back. What's going to happen here? We're trying to get above that 236. If we succeed, we're probably going to get a retest of the 20. That'll be the next target. And if we manage to hold on and get above the 20, maybe retest of 382. But if we fail at 20, we could be coming down to this area, right? The 236. With that, we're not creating anything yet. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Neutral at 41.67. Let's go and look at Bitcoin dominance. Holy shit, Jake just rained something on someone on the chat. Awesome, dude. Jake just rained 1,000 Satoshis. Thank you, Jake, for that awesome rain. I'm not sure how many people got it. At least, wow, out of all the people, only like 3 of us got it. So that was pretty good, I guess, right? I'm not even sure who else gets it or how random this is because we had a lot of people, but, you know, great, bro. 3 years since the channel received it. That's awesome. Thank you for that awesome rain, Jake. Yeah, I joined the Discord, guys. There's a lot of cool stuff happening there, right? Hey, what's going on here? We had the bearish divergence. We moved down on that. Hit that 20, taking a bounce again. Bitcoin gaining dominance. See how Bitcoin gained dominance and we just freaking like tanking price? Again, right, sometimes it's inversely correlated. That's why I don't look at dominance as an indicator of price action. I just look at dominance just to see how much Bitcoin is holding, and I want this to be less, right? When Bitcoin has been less, right, like these areas, this is when we've gone up and hit that, like, you know, 12K zone or 11,200s. Above here, right, we just keep on tanking on price action for Bitcoin, right? Yo, yeah, that's what happened, dude. Jake made it rain. He went like that, you know. Dollar bill, y'alls. Anyways. You thought the stream ended? No, dude, stream hasn't ended. We're still here. How to use the wallet? Good question. You have to ask the bot. I think you just go /balance, and then the bot will, like, contact you via private message, and you'll get the balance. Anyways, again, right now, losing some of that, right? Price action, well, losing a little bit of dominance right now, 0.19%. Yesterday we managed to gain 0.78, right? Anyways, on that note, we're sitting at 61.59% of market cap. Now, the Bitcoin to the dollar, right? Where's that at? Well, it's pretty cool. I have this chart over here. We rarely look at this one, right? Again, here we were looking at a double top or potential, like someone asked about head and shoulders, right? We said one shoulder, one head, maybe another shoulder. We weren't sure. I'm not sure if that's really developing right now. Again, it was a little bit higher for my test, but it could be, right? Again, it's not a very much looking textbook head and shoulders. I don't want to call it that. I forgot who called it. That's why I start writing names when someone brings an idea. That way we analyze it. We know who kind of brought it up here. And it was broke down, right? Managed to hold on support at 10,389, right? Close there. Right now we're trying to move higher and maybe do a retest of that 10,547. We actually maybe retest that 20 also at $10,524. Now that is on the Coinbase chart. If we go to the chart that we usually look at, what do we have for Bitcoin? We didn't have anything bearish, right? Because we don't have a positive momentum here. We're just going from positive to less positive, right? So coming down. Again, nothing on the RSI either. Now, do we have something here? No. Low, higher, low, negative, positive. Low on the RSI, higher on the RSI, neutral. At 42.82. So let's go to the 4 hour. All right, just a word of looking at this, right? We rejected, right, 11,120, which we knew we could. Yesterday I said I was hoping that we're going to get a retest. We had bearish divergence. I was really hoping that we're going to get a retest before we actually tanked or moved down. We did move down 4.59%. We recovered a little bit. At some point in time it was about 5%. I'm glad we recovered, but again, we broke below the 20. We even broke below 10,647. Managed to stay above 10,243. Right now, trying to go up, maybe for a retest of the 20 at 10,528. So let's go to the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour chart, last thing we had was strong bearish divergence, right? We had it here. We called that out on the 19th. So we knew we could get price action to the downside. Yesterday we were here on this candle, right? So I was hoping that we're going to get above the 20, managed to hold on to it. We didn't, right? Now that was what I was banking on, getting above the 20. Maybe we go for that retest of 11,120 before we broke down, which we didn't get, right? We just, went below that, and, then we just kept on moving down. So, not looking too good for Bitcoin, right? Is this off for some reason? Wait a second. There's something off here with the chart. What? This is a 4 hour chart, so let's see. 23, 7, 11. All right, so it's 7. We were here last night. Right, I was looking at the wrong one. We're here. We're trying to get above the 20. We're probably wicking above it after we had touched here. So yeah, I was looking at 7 in the morning, right? Not 19 hours. So we're here. Let me correct that. We're here. And on that note, we were like probably slightly going up, and I was hoping that we were going to get above the 20 and maybe do one last rally to 11,120 before we move down. We didn't. We rejected the 20, right? That's what happened. We opened at 20, we moved lower. Since then, it's just a massacre, right? On rejection of the 20, we moved lower. That's fine. We knew that's a move that we could have had going on. I was hoping we were going to hold support here at 10,000. We didn't. I was hoping we were going to hold support here at 10,000. We didn't. All right, so we just fell to the previous low that we had here, right? This channel back here. And that's fine. We're still in the channel, but we have support. I'm not worried about it yet. Moving down, consolidation, a little bit sideways, nothing too crazy, right? Now lower low, more negative momentum, lower on the other side. We don't have any kind of divergence. Sitting sold at 33.43. Again, we just went from bought to sold, right? Like that. Anyways, I'm trying to see if we have something else going on here. Right? If we wanted to, again, come from way back here, right? This previous low. And we could go from the low to the new low. Right? If you want to hunt for something. And then we could come from this area, right? Low to new low. Create some hidden bullish. Probably why we're stalling here on a movement down. It could be maybe what could get us to bounce again. Maybe try to get for that 10,647, maybe even that 10,800. I'm not sure we're going to go up that high. But right now we have this hidden bullish. We just got to acknowledge it. I mean, we could still go down and still create that hidden bullish again. It's one of those things that you can keep on creating, right, as we keep on doing this. And that's just against the RSI. And again, like I said, sold at 33.02. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Infinity Creations is in the hills. Yeah, dude, we'll check out the UMA to the US dollar. Right. Writing it down, make sure we're not gonna forget about it. DVT took a dump today. Yes, I know DVT took a dump, dude. I'm not sure how low it went. When I was looking at it, it was around 5.2. Maybe it went much lower. I'm not sure. Anyways, on that note, this came in from the 4 hour because I forgot to anchor it there. Voila, see? It's a things about missing stuff when you do the previous hour chart. Let's get this to the 4 hour. Send it back home. There we go. Right. So when we were live yesterday, right, we were here at these couple candles, right. We're looking for the divergence, right. We're here. We're probably still slightly lower. 9 p.m. is this one, right? So we managed to go slightly higher here, right? And again, we're still creating that bearish divergence. So again, price action to the downside. We knew we were gonna move down, right? I was hoping that we are gonna hold support at the 20 and try to go for a bounce. We did hold support at the 24 candle. Then we just moved down on the next one, right? That's it. That's about it, though. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower on the other side, even here, right? Coming in lower. So nothing bullish really. Maybe here is just very tiny. Let's see, 1680, 1661. Yeah, we could argue that this is creating some strong bullish divergence here. It's just very small on the 1 hour. It's just a 3-hour divergence. Let's look slightly higher again. Strong bullish action to the upside again. I wouldn't put a lot of stock in this. We did manage to go slightly higher and then curving off, so showing a little bit of weakness. Again, we do have the small bullish. If we don't drop below this area, we could try to go for a new rally. Maybe test that 20. Sitting sold right now, 33.49. Again, still waiting for this to develop a little bit more, man. Oh, can we look at Raven? I think, yeah, all-time low. Yeah, we'll look at our Raven, RVN. Right on. So that's what we have going on right now for Bitcoin, right? That's about it, though. So let's go on to the Ethereum. What's happening with the Ethereum? It went on a massive dump. It took a massive dump, right? No, I'm kidding. It did go down quite a bit today, though. 8%, right? Doubled out of Bitcoin. So again, yesterday we managed to move below 20. We're holding on support here at 364. Again, I was hoping this support was going to hold. Maybe we could take a retest of that 418. We didn't. We didn't have anything bearish. We don't have anything going on here on the technicals. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on their side, higher on their side. So everything's good right now. Sitting at $342.01. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. This I think is from the 1 hour. Yeah, see how the stuff just doesn't stay where it's supposed to, man. Come on, man. There we go. Right on. So we're looking for this hidden bullish. We did get a small rally, right? And that's fine. We were live here as we were in the small rally. We knew the 20 was a potential target. We didn't get to the 20, right? We just dropped. So maybe something on the 1 hour. And that drop, we went lower. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower. Again, oversold right here, short term, though. Same thing that we have with Bitcoin, right? Just from here to here. It's just very small, though. But it's there. And you just got to acknowledge it for what it is. It's a little bit of strong bullish divergence, right? And probably why we're stalling at this area right now here. Again, starting to go up a little bit, but not too much. And on that note, I'm going to move on to the 1 hour chart. Again, it's just not being the best crypto day today, right? Sitting at sold at 29.70. It's oversold. So let's go to the 1 hour. What is going on here on the 1 hour chart? We're looking for this bullish, right? We took a rally. We're here live, here at 9. We're above the 20. We're trying to hold on to it. We just failed to take off, really, right? Did we have something bearish here? Maybe, right? Yeah, we ended up creating some kind of bearish divergence from here, right? So as you can tell here, right? So I'll go from here to here to illustrate what I'm looking at, man. Let's just anchor this in the one. Went out a candle. There we go. As you can tell, we're coming from a low point to a higher point, right? Again, so, like that. So on that note, we're creating hidden bearish action to the downside. And it really broke us down a lot stronger than we should have, right? But again, I don't think crypto was the only market that got hit today. I think stocks also went down quite a bit today. I'm not sure by the time they closed, but they were going down quite a bit. Some of them recovered a little bit. But, we'll look at that once we get to the stock part of the stream. But again, everyone went red, right? It wasn't just a crypto red day, right? Anyways. Moving down again, trying to go for a bounce. That's great. Not even hitting the 20, right? Rejection. Trying to go for another bounce. We'll see what happens. Sitting sold at 33.73, dude. Again, not a lot going on after that divergence, right? That's it for Ethereum. Again, dude, there's really, after that movement down there, we don't have a lot going on, right? So let's go to XRP. XRP at 23 cents, 22.15 cents. Do I hate it? Yes, I hate it. Because it was up here. It was so nice and comfy up here at 24 cents. It just dropped about a cent and change, right? Cent and a half. So, yeah, it's a bad day for XRP. It actually dropped 1 cent and a half, like I said, right? 1.5 cents. Sitting at 23 cents and 23.15 cents. Again, moving down again. I said we were going to get squeezed between these areas. I wasn't looking too positive. Again, I was hoping that we are going to break to the upside. On the fact that we're managing to hold support at the 24.69, and we were really flirting with this area as we were doing the stream yesterday, right? Slightly going green, slightly coming red, slightly going green, slightly coming red. In the end, you know, bearishness won, and we moved down. We almost hit all the way down to 22.605. We did hit that 22 area, 22.919 cents. And then that we're trying to rally a little bit today, 0.25%. Again, not a lot going on here, right? Again, on the daily, we don't have much. The only thing I can see here, and I'm going to have to check with the other projects. I might have missed this, but XRP is showing it. And I don't think I missed it. It's kind of obvious now that I'm looking at this in XRP, but we are having some strong bullish divergence. Now, let me check Ethereum, dude. Now, Ethereum is slightly higher, see? Didn't drop as much. And then Bitcoin. Let's just check Bitcoin. I know it's higher also, right? So again, Bitcoin doesn't have it. It's just XRP that's showing that strong bullish divergence with potential for action to the upside. Now, is it going to play? Guys, to be fair, it's going to do whatever Bitcoin does, right? Again, Bitcoin is looking extremely similar. All charts are going to look extremely similar to Bitcoin, right? The moves were more or less in sync, so that means all crypto was affected equally. Now, it's being sold at 36.54 on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, that moving down. Trying to find some footing here. We had the hidden bullish, try to rally. Getting above that 24-cent mark, right? 24.62. And failing and moving lower. We didn't even hit the 20. That was one of the targets again. Usually the movement would have dictated that we're going to go to the 20, right? And test it. We didn't. It was just weakness there. And we just moved down. We have something going on here? No. I'm not going to go from here to here. We're lower. We're much lower on that RSI as well. Sitting... oversold at 25.07, I think it was. Yeah, 25.07, right? So on that note, let's go to the 1 hour because there's really not a lot we can do here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. And we had the bullishness here. Try to rally, right? We're trying to break above that 20. I think we were here last night. Yeah, as we were live. We were like getting squeezed between the small triangle, right? Managed to get above it right here at 10 p.m., then 11 here, then 12, then 1 in the morning, then 2 in the morning. 2 week, and then we just broke down. Like this 2 in the morning move looks very much like Europe moved us down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, right? As we're coming in, also we have that here. We also have that move. We don't have anything bullish, unfortunately. Let's see, 23, 28. Do I like that? No, that's hidden bearish. That means we could be probably going for another move down, right? Look at that, coming in lower. And go from here to here, right? So again, from here that's 0.00224, and then here is like 0.00028, right? So again, some hidden bearish, and with that potential moving down, right? Continuation. We're going down, so we might continue to the downside. Maybe test 22.60, right? Sold at 33.43. Let's go to Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Again, I'm sorry if I'm not a bit upbeat today. I'm just feeling a little bit tired, dude. Like, I've had a headache. It's been a super heavy day at the office. There was a lot of chat going on Discord. I didn't have a chance to really look at a lot of what was going on there. But I did just manage to show how similar the move on Bitcoin and Uniswap were. Before I jump onto Litecoin, I'll just do that real quick. Right, look at this. This Bitcoin move, right? Look at that, right? So 3 green, 1 red, 1 green, and then 3 red, right? It's Bitcoin to $1 on Gemini. And then we have Uniswap, right? So we have the 3 green, 1 red, 1 green, and then 3 red, right? So again, you know, similar moves, even more or less similar looking bars, right? So look at that, and then look at that, right? So it look more or less like the same chart. Like I was saying, just there was so much correlation between the two today that, you know, it just makes you take a look back and see how in sync the market was, or how in sync the market is, right? So we're looking for some kind of bullish divergence. We still have it here on Litecoin, right? Look at that. We dropped. We just made very little negative momentum, right? Much lower on the RSI, so we kind of killed it there. But against the MACD, we do have that strong bullish. And again, we're starting to get this green doji happening. Sitting at $43.29. Sold at 32.61 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, again. Steve S, my son is losing his mind right now. Not catching much, unfortunately. Why is your son losing his mind, bro? I hope he's okay. Yeah, dude. I hope your son's doing good. I'm not sure why he's losing his mind. I hope he can get into a bad investment or something, or like girl problems. I'm not sure, but yeah, I hope everything's good on your side, bro. Coming in slightly higher, right? Coming in lower. We had strong bearish action to the downside. We're moving down again. Rejected the 20. We move lower, right? So again, no surprises on that move. Now low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side. I don't think we like. I don't think I'm surprised by this move on Litecoin. It was too weak, right? It was one of the weakest behaving coins, right? Look, it just moved down, right, and then just moved sideways while the rest of crypto kind of recovered a little bit. Anyways, sitting sold or oversold at 24.13. Let's go to the 1 hour. Dude, he's a baby. He's 14 months old. No one really knows he's overtired. Yeah, bro, maybe teething, right? I'm not sure if he's teething or not, but teeth tend to come in around a year old, so 12 months. Maybe he's getting teeth, and that's like driving him nuts. Maybe he's like overtired. He didn't take his nap properly. I'm not sure, dude. Kids of that age are a enigma, right? Anyways, 8, 9, right? Look at that bearish divergence, right? Like from here to here. We didn't have it yesterday as we were live, but now we created this. We manufacture this, right? Look at that, right? And we went from here to here, right? So slightly more. Again, creating hidden bearish potential for action to the downside and continuation, right? And we move down there. Now low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher again. Nothing here, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side. So we haven't developed anything. We're really waiting for some kind of pattern to develop here after the impulse down, right? So we just gotta wait. We gotta be patient. That's the name of the game right now. Patience is the name of the game. So let's go and look at Binance. What is happening with Binance? Right on. So what's happening with Binance? Again, coming down, right? We had the hidden bullish. We did try to go for a small rally, but we failed and we came lower. Now, this is all one island, right? Or two islands, if you will. If you want to believe it's two islands. I'm not sure why we're looking at Binance in the 4 hour. We have to look at the 1 hour first. Look at that. Binance losing the 20. Oh, no, man. Sitting at $23.43. Yeah, right. Again, we're starting to create some hidden bullish here on the daily. We hadn't looked at the daily. I'm glad we did, because I was just going to start doing the 4 hour. That was going to be bad, man. It was from here to here and from here to here, right? So again, right, we don't have it against the RSI, sitting neutral at 44.89. Potential movement to the upside. Starting to get that rally coming in. On continuation to the upside, that's okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. Again, on the 4 hour, we're just tracking these small moves here, right? That's great. Now, if you will, the move is from here to here. Right, coming in much slower. And going from here to here, right? Now, we do have this small separation here. We were looking for divergence to here. It's fine, we had it, right, on this time scale. We did go slightly high. We rejected, moved lower. Now we still have divergence. We just don't have it against the RSI, saying neutral. Sorry, sold at 30.07. But on that move, yeah, let's see what's going to happen here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Anyways, what's happening here on the 1 hour, right? We had bearish divergence. We just shift that to there, right? Hidden bearish action to the downside. We had the bearish when we were live. We just confirmed that a little bit higher. That's fine. Moving down, right? So we're moving down on that. Low, lower, low, more negative momentum, right? Low, high, right? Less negative momentum or positive momentum, right? And then higher on the RSI. So nothing bullish here, right? Again, just following the rest of crypto. Hit the 20, rejected. I'd be trying to get on the go at it, right? Right, there's not a lot going on here right now. At least nothing that I'm seeing right now, right? A little more negative than here, positive, right? Yeah, that's about it though, right? I would guess. I mean, it's just like some of the other coins, right? From here to here, it's almost nothing, dude. It's like negligible divergence. And, from here to here. That would be strong bullish. That's about it. That's what made us rally, probably. This is for Binance. Now that we just finished Binance, I'm gonna go check out the other coins. Unitard. No, I'm kidding. Unicycle, Uniswap, Unicorn, whatever that. We'll look at Uni. See what's going on here. Uni, I came live, right? We're going lower. Again, we're creating that bullish divergence. We'll just anchor it there. It's still fine. We're going to make this be in the color of the yellow. Why is it an orange? Well, I charted that one else off the air. Again, strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. We tried to take a rally. We failed, right? I did say if we don't hit the 20, we're going to move down for a retest, or reject the 20, we're going to move down for a retest of this area, the 50%. That's where we're at, right? Trying to go for another rally. Maybe kind of test that 20, dude. I'm not sure yet. That's what it looks like right now. High, lower, high. Positive was positive. High on the other side to a lower on the other side. Why are we not looking here, right? Well, the 4 hour, you know, we don't have a lot going on, right? It's just starting to get data. And the daily definitely has nothing going on, right? Impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Starting to stagnate. Might try to do a reversal. Who knows, right? We don't have a lot of data on the daily or the 4 hour. Just on the 1 hour, we have bullish divergence, right? So on that note, sitting neutral at 42.39. Apparently, there's gonna be something going on with this coin where Uni is gonna release something like new exchange, Unicorn 3.2. I'm not sure what they're gonna do, but apparently there's something coming out, or there's news expected to be released tomorrow. Might make it pump. Yeah, it could make it pump, right? It's going up 4% today already. On that note, that's Uni, dude. Again, the Unicorn coin. YFB. Let's go check out YFB, dude. YFB. There we go. A lot of stuff happening on the Discord, guys. It's still very live and kicking right now, so that's pretty cool. What do you have going on here, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. We have bullish divergence here. Well, let's go on the daily first. Again, nothing we can chart on the daily, right? Just making all-time lows here. So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, coming down. We had the bullish divergence. It just failed to take off. Remember, dude? Wasn't looking too hot. We talked about this not looking too hot. Now we do have a new negative momentum island building there, so we can now go here and properly anchor to there. Still have strong bullish divergence, but again, right, it looks like the same thing that we have here. Look, that green, that, you know, that red, that green, then that small red of indecision, then a smaller red. So, you know, red, green, red, and then that indecision, right? So again, not looking too hot still. We don't have it against the RSI since oversold at 26.68. That's it, dude. Not a lot happening with this. Let's go to the 1 hour. We had the bullish, we rallied, hit the 20. Right, we were live here yesterday. Hit the 20, rejected, and moved lower, right? On that movement, we didn't create any kind of divergence, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI, even here short term. Coming in slightly lower. So again, nothing bullish yet developed here. Trying to recover a little bit, you know, not doing very well. Just sitting sold at 33.55 on the RSI. That's about it for YFB, dude. So let's go and check out OXT, where there were some pre-stream requests from Andrew, and that's what we're doing right now. So let's go check out OXT, dude. OXT, oxytocin. No, I'm just kidding. Orchid. Let's go to Dailyo. What do we have? We have something. Nothing yet, right? High, lower, high. Positive is positive. And there's a lower on there. So again, this project, we looked at this yesterday. Did we not? Why do I not have these divergence traced? I should have had this divergence traced. It's bullish. That we're going to move into the upside, hitting that 20, right? Rejecting that long wick and then coming down. I'm not sure if I drew this. I was positive I called this divergence. I'm not sure. Anyway, sitting neutral at 51.70 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Coming in higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Again, we're not doing anything yet, right? Impulse up, consolidation. Not what we want to see. It's just sideways motion right now. It's sitting neutral at 55.40. Dude, I just feel like yawning really bad. So Anyways, not a lot going on here, right? Came lower, more negative, right? It's fine. Yeah, not a lot happening. Dude, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see how Orchid is doing there. Again, went higher, more positive, higher on the other side. That's all great. Now short term coming in low. Now negative, more negative, right? We're starting to create some hidden bullish, right? We can give this project that. I'll just go there. Or we can even go there, the other low that we had, right? We can even go here, right? And go here, right? Check that out. Oh no, hidden bullish, right? Potential action to the upside. Or continuation. We're not getting it yet. Again, we just went up, hit the 20, rejected. Would have expected to look for lower areas of value, which we haven't yet. And setting neutral at 49.98 on the other side. That's about it for Orchid, dude. Again, not a lot happening here yet. Below the 20, you know, with some hidden bullish. That's about it, though. So let's see how this is going to play out for Orchid. We had a request for Yuma to the dollar. So we're going to go check out Yuma. Right, this project, we're going to call it Yumama because it's Yuma. Right? Anyways, it was just against the dollar. So I'm going to check out a dollar. Here we go. Yumama sitting at $10.87. What is happening with Yo Mama? Again, it hasn't been listed for that long. Just coming down again. Nothing happening on the other side of the MACD where I can look at. So I'm gonna have to look at Yo Mama on the 4 hour. Is it cool that I call this project Yo Mama? Again, dude, I'm just fucking tired, dude. I'm not even sure what this project's doing, dude. Hope you can go to 0. Can it hit 43? Andrew, dude, you were talking about 43 on OXT, dude. Sorry, dude. I missed the chat for a second, dude. I just got carried out with the stream. Let me know which coin I'm gonna check it out again, right? And Steve saying he's on Discord a lot. Business and Friends. Yay, Business and Friends on Discord. Yuma coin coming down here, right? I'm gonna stop calling this Yuma. I think it's not gonna sound too good. Alright. Anyways, again. Right, we're looking at divergence here on Yuma, right? From here to here, maybe even from here to here, right? So again, you know, I'm just calling the latest stuff here. The greatest and latest of the 80s. It's here. Anyways, from here to here, right? Again, and from here to here, look at that, right? Again, a lot of bullish divergence, right? Let's see if we can get that pop. I mean, we had divergence here, bullish. We did rally, tanked a little bit. Again, not a lot of data, right? High, lower, high, positive is positive. On that note, I'm happy with what's happening here. Everything's locked in. That's great. There we go. Again, bullish rally, hit the 20, rejecting. Again, could be coming lower than this area. We have strong bullish. Right? Could be one of those things where we do U-turn here and try to pump. But again, right now, we'd be expecting freeze to come slightly lower, maybe. I mean, not sure, dude. Not looking too hot after that rejection, right? So, I'm not familiar with the project. I don't have the flow of how this project's doing. So, you know, it's kind of hard. It's just taking a guess right now. Or, you know, from what I'm seeing on rejection, it would mean that we should be going lower. I mean, we do have the strong bullish. We know sometimes we fail to dump, just like sometimes we fail to pump. And on that note, if we fail to dump, then we could be going higher. But right now, it's a little bit of indecision happening, right? Again, trying to go down, don't look strong either, right? The movement down is just very paused, right? And the movement up, what's a little bit strong, but short-lived. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yo, Andrew Doom, dude, I'm not sure if you're still with us, bro, but if you are, let me know which coin you wanted to look at 43 cents, because I just went over it, so. Right, low, lower, again, more negative momentum. Lower on the other side, right, so nothing there. 160, 162, slightly higher, more positive momentum, right, that's fine. Lower, right, positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower. Again, I'm not seeing anything here short term. Damn it. Must keep eyes open. Yeah, not a lot. I'm looking for something. I'm just not finding anything. You know, I'm just gonna use Phipps for this project. I just want to see what it's doing because I'm not finding anything going on here with regular you know, stuff that we should look at. So we'll go from here to here, and we haven't even made a valid retrace yet. Right? Should I be anchoring to here maybe because that's the lowest point? Maybe, and then we just made a valid retrace. No, I think I'm gonna ignore that wick. I'm just gonna ignore the wicks and go to the lowest point on bodies, dude, and the highest point on bodies. So there we go. I think that should be more or less what we should be looking at. Let me just zoom in here a little bit and pinpoint this a little bit better. There we go. And then here we go. Right, that's it. So we haven't made a valid retrace right after dumping it from the high to the lowest point we've made. So we don't know if this is a local low yet, right? So if we're gonna hit this as the local low, we should be getting a bounce to that 236 at least, which we haven't gotten. And right now we're just moving lower, right? So again, I'm not sure about this project, dude. I'm not looking too hot right now. That's all I can say. But yet to be determined. Moving down, maybe hit that $10.47 again. Sorry, $10 and yeah, 47 cents. Right now, sitting at $10.81, so it's not that far off, right? It's not a huge movement to downside. Now, since Andrew didn't tell me, I'm gonna have to go down and hunt that coin, which I do believe might have been OXT maybe, or YFB. YFB is at $8. The other one was OXT at 35. Andrew wanted to know if it can get to 43. Well, can it get to 43, dude? That is the question. Let's check this out here. I have to like check out some fibs here on this coin. There we go, right? So from low to high, we retrace all the way to that 786. Again, I'm ignoring the wicks. I'm getting a little bit better touch points here on the chart. Right here, held support here. We lost it, bounced, and then, you know, kind of reduced resistance here at the 618. And then now using support at 786. That note, we're taking a bounce. Again, we're still below that 618, right? So you want to get to 43 cents. That would mean hitting at least the 50% retrace. Can we hit it? Yeah, if we manage to get above that 618. If we don't, then we're really looking for action to downside an orchid, right? Right now we have the bullish divergence. We could try to go for another rally. Do we have something bearish here? I doubt it, man. I'm not sure if we call something bearish here short term. No, we even have a hidden bullish, right? So below that 20. And again, hidden bullish. As I've told you guys, one of those things that you can keep on tracking and keep on developing, right? This can just go here, 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 lower, lower, lower. And we'll still have it until we no longer have it. And, you know, it's going to be a problem with this. Right now we have this. We just got to acknowledge it for what it is. It's a hidden bullish. Actually, to the upside, we got the rally. It rejected at 20. Fell into hold support at the 618. And on failing to hold that support, right, that 618 at 0.35. 35.90 cents, right, so whatever, and failed to hold that would certainly imply that we should be expecting action to downside still, right? Maybe for a retest of this area, 26.52 cents. You know, still determining whether or not we're gonna bounce here. Anyways, on that note, I'm gonna go check out the other stuff that was requested. That was so we just finished UMAMA to the USD, and Bitcoin Jake said, check out RVN. RVN to the dollar on. I should have a lot more volume here, so I'm just going there. Sitting at 1.40 cents, man. What? What is this project? What is Raven doing? What does Raven have that the others don't? Well, for one, it has a strong bullish divergence, right? We can see that as clear as day. It is as clear as day, sire. And we're coming in lower here, right? We're sitting oversold at 27.94. So again, we could be going for a potential bounce, maybe for a retest of the 20, right? That would be the potential target right now. If we fail there, or if we fail to rally, again, I'm not sure. We're going to have to look lower. Maybe 11 cents, or 1.1 cent, 1.13 cents, or whatever this area is here. Right, 1.13 could be a target. If we fail to go to the 20. Do we have something else going on here? Again, we don't care about the history, right? But if you just want to see what we broke down, probably have some bearish divergence. Let's see. This 3.6.3.3.3.4, right? So 3.6 is less. It's more than here, so that's good. That 3.4, we're in 3.4, and from here we're going higher. So we created some strong bearish divergence action to the downside. That's what we broke down here, right? So let's go to the 4-hour on RVN. Yo, dude. I think Andrew might have gone offline. Right on. So, what I'm looking at here on the 4-hour, I'm looking at this low and this low, right? The more significant looking lows here. I'm noticing that we're going from a low to a high, right? So from here to here. And we are creating strong bullish divergence. So potential for action to the upside, right? Again, it's a lot of data that we're going over, right? That's fine. But that's the only thing I can see here. Right, and here short term, right, on this rejection here. We had this, oh no, it's the hidden bearish divergence. Yes, it came here to play and make party with us. Yeah, you know, just kidding, dude. We did have this hidden bearish. So action to downside, we're moving down that. Rally hit the 20, rejected, moving lower. Now we have some strong bullish. Let's see if that manages to pump us to the upside. At least hit that 20 at 1.55, right? That would be a good increase, about 10.0015, right? That would be the increase that we're looking at. Anyways, let's go to the 1-hour. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower on the other side. But check this last part here on the other side, right? We're coming in lower here. And every time we're coming lower, we're going slightly higher on that RSI, right? And with that, we are creating that bullish divergence. Again, guys, I'm feeling super tired today for some reason. I'm not sure. Like, I got, like, woken up early from my call at work. Maybe that, like, broke my cycle. I'm just feeling, like, super down and out. 10 playbacks. Awesome. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. I think I hadn't said that throughout the whole stream. Thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of the channel. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you like what we do. And if you do, let your family and friends know that we are here. Because we want to grow and have a huge, great community of people that are like-minded individuals that like crypto and like chilling out with us. So, again, on the 1 hour, right? Bullish divergence. Now, finally hitting that 20. I'm going to test it as resistance. I'm not sure what's going to happen there yet. 479, 664. All right, so we do have some hidden. We're starting to develop hidden bearish, right? Now, that's something that we got to acknowledge because we have it. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. We just have it against the MACD. Short-term RSI, we might have it, right? From here to here. Then from here to here, right? So again, hidden bearish twice. So we could be going for stalling here at 20 and maybe moving down. You know, that's the only thing I'm seeing here. We do have the strong bullish. It could push us through and get rid of this divergence very quickly. Right, and then we just have to get rid of this one. It's going to take longer to get rid of that larger divergence against the MACD. But right now, that's what we have for Raven or RVN, right? So I'm going to go check out RSR. Something in massive bidding there, and it went down yesterday still. RSR on the daily, right? Look, in the daily, we created bullish divergence, still to take off. Now coming still slightly lower, going here slightly higher. Still have that strong bullish divergence. Might try to go for another rally. Here we hit the 20 and we rejected yesterday, right? It was a good bounce to that 16-cent area. Should have exited. Yeah, I just didn't see that bounce happening, so I wasn't paying attention. That happened today around, yesterday. around the 23-hour mark. So maybe in the morning, early morning, where we had the bearish divergence, hidden action to downside, right rally failed and broke down, right? We had the strong bullish. That was good enough to get us at least to this second rally. And then on that note, we're moving lower. Now, finally, something that we wanted to do. We had the bullish there. I'm just going to leave it so we know we called that one. Here, right? Look, bullish divergence still, right? So let's go from here to here. That way we don't have a lot of clutter happening there. Let's get this on the 4 hour, and let's get the other one also on the 4 hour, right? And with that, we're creating that strong bullish divergence once again against the MACD and also against the RSI, right? I bet we have it against the RSI. Look at that, right? So still coming in higher here. And just to make it even, we'll go from here. Right, strong bullish action to the upside. Again, we have it against the MACD and the RSI. There's a big chance it could play out. And at least maybe retest that 20 right now at 0.13 or 1.38 cents, right? Neutral at 41.13 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bullish divergence, right? We were live here, right? Action to the upside. We got it. Held it at 20. Managed to bump a little bit more, but guess what? We created a long term, right? Look at that. High to low, right? Look at that. High to low. Again, you know what this is. You know what I'm tracing, right? You know, in the bottom of your hearts. The deepest desires is that it will be making bearish divergence. And we do have that. Look from here, right? Boom. So we're going higher on the price, coming in lower, right, on the positive momentum, and lower on that RSI, creating strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we move down now as we're coming down. We're creating some strong bullish divergence. Will it play us to the upside? It has, but it hasn't been as strong as we would have wanted to, right? Even here we have slightly bullish divergence, I think. 35.12 and 35.49, so like slightly higher, right? And also slightly higher here, right? So again, you know, that strong bullish playing us to the upside, hitting the 20, rejecting. We might move lower and look for a new negative momentum island to build and maybe develop more strong bullish divergence before we try to go on a rally. Who knows? That's what it's looking like for Raven. On that note, I'm going to go check out DVT because DVT is doing insanely bad apparently today. Yeah, I think a massive drop to that 52 cent area. Again, I guess it didn't drop much more than that. Let's get some indicators. Let's get the MACD, the McDonald's. MACD. So the RSI as well, right? Bitcoin Jake is placing a little poop face on the chat. Yeah, Jake, it went on the pooper. Now the question is, are we creating something? And the answer is yes, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? Let's try and get from here. Going from completely oversold, right, to oversold again, but less, right? And here, just let me fix this again so we can have nice looking histogram chart here on the MACD, right? Coming in lower, right? Look at that, low, more negative, right? So nothing against the MACD, but against the RSI, we have strong bullish. That's why we got this rally now. We pulled back down a little bit. We might be going for another rally. Who knows? Sitting sold at 32.80. Or 37.80, sorry. Let's go on to the 4 hour chart. Again, we had bearish divergence. We knew we were going to move down, right? It was no surprise. Surprise, surprise. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high, lower, lower, right? Now, low, lower, low, negative. I got to zoom in here. Are we making more negative? About the same, I would say, right? So we have like a weak bullish divergence, right? Coming in lower on that price and just sideways here on the oscillator. Right, look at that. That's the only thing I can call right now, right? So with that, we're expecting for price action to the upside. Now let's go to the 1 hour or the daily, because in the daily we had the bearish divergence. We knew we had, right? From here to here. And from here to here. That's what's playing us to the downside for the last couple days. Now we might have also had it here on the RSI. Let's see, 58, 60, 59, so slightly higher as well, right? There we go. Look at that. With that, action to the downside. We're moving down. It's okay. That's about it, though, right? We're gonna hit that 5-1 area. We could, right? Here we did go to like 5-2, like I said. Then we could hit that 5-1 and then that 5-0 again. And I would believe if it hits 5-0, I might add more to my position here. I'm really keen on the project. I do believe it has a lot of potential. So I would be really looking to add something here on DVT. right? So on that note, I'll go to the 1 hour real quick. Oh snap, that was a 2 hour. The 1 hour I said, there we go. We had some bearish divergence, right? From here to here going higher, and then from here to here coming lower, right? We called that one out yesterday. So from here to here, right, going higher, and then from here to here coming lower. Right, and that's what moved us down. Again, we knew that we're going to get that movement down. It just went down too quickly. Now, the spread's still there. It's from 5.5 to 6.5, so we have 1 point spread. That is huge. If you manage to trade that spread, you're going to make a good percentage, because if you think about it, from 5.5 to 5.6, a 10% increase, it's gonna be like very, very like it's gonna be like 0.5, right? That 0.55. So you could like do almost a 20% increase just from going from 6.5, from 5.5 to 6.5. So you're just buying here and selling here. You're gonna be making good dough, right? Very quickly. Again, it's a good spread to trade if you can get your positions to close, right? Anyways, Bitcoin Jake, when is that giveaway happening? Yeah, Jake, when is your giveaway happening? By the way, if you guys don't know, Jake has a giveaway on Twitter. He's gonna give out about $100,000. No, I'm kidding. I'm not sure how much money he's gonna give away. Like 50k DVT, right? So about like $50 maybe, or $30 now. I think at the current price should be around $30 or so worth of DVT. But at some point in time, it could be worth a lot. So it is a good sizable chunk. If this goes to $1, you're gonna have $50,000 from a giveaway Bitcoin Jake gave. And then he's, instead of being known as a pizza guy for Bitcoin, we're gonna have giveaway Jake for 50,000 DVTs. No, I'm kidding, but that's a good enough sizable chunk where you can have 2 UXTs there, right? So it's good. Steve S, he's on a hot streak. We should keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm not sure why you're in a hot streak for. Have you won any like events lately? Is that why you're on a hot streak, dude? Anyways, look at that. RSR rejecting the 20. What? Oh, surprise, bro. Anyways, how many of you guys are here? You guys are so amazing. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Don't be a stranger. And if you don't like what we do, at least subscribe. You might like it later on. Who knows? Dude. What do you guys want to look at? There's just not requests coming in, dude. Why you guys come up for something, you guys request that I should look at something. I'm going to start looking at gold and silver real quick. So, come on. Give me your best project to look at. Show me your best coin, right? A lot of people say that on Twitter for some reason. Anyways, moving down, silver. Dude, $24.57, right? Again, look at that massive rejection of the 20. Went down 7%, dude. Silver. Not good. Mayday, get it back to like $26.99, dude. Why not? That was a good area for silver. Now, are we creating something? Not sure yet. Low, right? Negative, like coming lower on the other side. Here we do have a low of like 314, 316, and this 388, so more negative, right? Nothing there. Now, the only thing we can track, to be fair, is if I move this, right, to here, and like go there, right? Then that node, I move this, and I just go there. And that would still be hidden bullish divergence, one from one island to the next, right? And we even have it here now against the RSI, right? If I go from in here. Sitting sold at 37.34, and that hidden bullish divergence could get us a stall. We're hitting that 161% retrace, right? So we might be holding on support there. So let's go check out gold. Steve S saying he has won 3 out of 6 giveaways. That has been like 600 buckaroos. That's awesome, bro. Invite me to your giveaways. I want to win something. I never win on giveaways. Steve S, ADA, NIM, EWT. My favorites. Yeah, we'll look at those, bro. Why not? ADA. First one on the list. ADA Cardano. Then we have Cardenas, NIM. And then we're going to have EWT, right? The Ewok coin. Right on that note, let's go to gold real quick. Again, gold moving down, breaking below the previous all-time high at 1,922, sitting at 1,909. What? Yes, dude. Are we doing something? I'm not sure yet. Low, same low again. You know, coming in slightly. Yeah, we have some kind of bullish divergence here. Even this slightly higher and this slightly lower, right? So I'm gonna get rid of this triangle, which we didn't like. Obviously, we invalidated because we failed to take off. So on that note, we're going from here to here, from here to here. We'll just call it that. Again, some strong bullish potential movement to the upside. Again, right now we're just rejected. We moved up, right? Look at that. Moved up, hit that 1,120.02. We have this at 1,122. So very close to the old previous all-time high and rejecting that area. Let's go check the markets, just because we know the markets went down. S&P down 38 points, right? Look at that gap down. Tried to recover, but failed. Now we're looking for some bullish divergence, which we still have briefly, barely. Sitting sold at 39.25. Then the K went up 40 points, but again, still, managed to close or managed to gain a little bit, but not too much. We're not doing anything besides the bullish divergence that we had. I'll just anchor that to there. Toronto down 217 points. Look at that, right? Boom, it just went all the way down here. Actually, moved much lower, recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. That's fine. Lower, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? So now we can go from here to here. And here to here, right? So we have some bullish divergence. And maybe get price action to the upside, right? That's what it's looking like right now. It's Toronto. Let's go to London. 222 points down. Look at that. Breaking below 20. We had the bearish divergence, right? We tried to hold on to 22 3 times. Now we finally broke it. Now it could be downhill from here. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher there. Let's go to the Dow Jones. Right now going down 17 points. Actually managed to go down 572 on the Dow Live. So low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? Again, some strong bullish divergence here on the Dow Jones, man. Dow Jones. From here to here, from here to here, right? Again, potential movement to the upside. We've got to wait to see how tomorrow plays out. What happened with the Dow? It went down, dude. It went down 509 points. What? Yes, man. Yes, I'm glad. Yes, I'm glad, dude, because it's reflecting a little bit reality. We know we're having funny monies coming into the stock market. We know we have funny stuff going on here. So, getting that action to the downside. Peter Pagoda, NEO. Well, we haven't looked at NEO, bro. We'll look at NEO for sure. Thanks for asking. Right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 3 coins to look at before NEO, right? Crazy how everyone's running to the dollar instantly. Yeah, dude, crazy. Right. It's cray-cray. A lot of people feel unsafe, right? And panicky. And that's why. Anyway, oil also went down a little bit, right? So again, look at oil, right? Rejection, right? We're going down 3%. This is Brent also rejecting at 20, right? Moving down. West Texas also moving down. Again, breaking below the 20. No surprise, bro, right? Look, I can't call anything here because technically we have a higher point up here. We could say, we're going higher, coming lower, right from here, right from back here. So look at that, we're going higher, and now we're coming from high to low. We have some hidden divergence. We could argue that. Again, it's too much data going on back there. On the RSI, we could, right? Look at that. This point, right? The highest point to a new highest point here. And then coming from here to a low point. Some hidden divergence, though, for sure, right? So, I'm not sure how I want to trace this. I might just change this color. I don't want this to be looking like it's way too cluttered. So, we'll just make this this kind of green, I guess, right? That might work for right now, right? For this example, like that, and then like that, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? So, again, some strong bearish divergence, right, at that. And with that, price action to the downside. So, breaking down. Again, I'm not sure this is going to play out. We do have a lot of data here. Had a lot of divergence we're building along the way that broke us down. But right now we do have this again also, right? It could be a thing, right? Because, again, I don't like doing this because we have a high point here. We're coming from a negative, right? So previous island would be this one, and I would be anchoring from the highest point. Maybe this one here, and it'd still be there, right? Because that's what killed the island. I'm not sure if I really want to hold on to this as a way of thought, so I'm going to get rid of that. Again, I'm not liking it very much. I'm just going to get rid of it. On that note, what else are we doing, man? That's West Texas. We had requests. So first one, ADA, Cardenas. Let's go check Cardano. What's Cardano doing? What's ADA Cardano doing, dude? Where's my Cardano, bro? Oh, here it is. We're looking for bullish, right? But we're going anchoring tape for positive momentum. Look at that. We came lower. We're starting to make strong bullish divergence here. We lost it against the RSI, which is okay. No longer there. Yay. But we have it against the MACD, though, right? Price action to the upside. We came down and look at that. Beautiful. That low right there, dude. Hitting at 0.768, right? Look at that. 765, very, very close to our target here at the 618. We knew we could hit that area, which is okay. We're hitting some bullish divergence. We might find support there and try to go for a rally. Maybe hit that 20, maybe even hit that 50% retrace at 0.94. Would it be a good entry? Maybe, dude. Again, it's up to you guys, right? It could be a good entry for some of you. If we manage to bounce, we could. If crypto goes down, again, the rest of the coins go down. This could go down as well. So, it's one of those, like, what should we do moments. I do believe it might go up a little bit more. It could be a good entry here. Sitting at 0.811 cents right now, right? So 8.11 cents. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. More negative momentum, lower on there. I say nothing bullish here. Dude, last thing we had was bearish, hidden bearish. That's the last thing we called. Since then, we moved down. Moved down, hit that 20, rejected. Move lower, right? So let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's happening here? Let's see. We had bearish divergence at a resistance at 20, and then we just broke down. Sadly enough, we're not creating anything here. Coming in lower, negative momentum. Now we're starting to bounce, hitting that 20. It looks like we might reject right now, going red, but still trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We were tight on the Bollinger Bands, we exploded to the downside. Again, high, lower, high, positive, high, lower, high. All right, we have some hidden bearish here, just to be clear, right? Before I forget to call this out. So hidden bearish divergence near a 20. So we might move down that. All right. So again, setting neutral at sold at 39.92 on that RSI. That's Cardano, right? Could be moving down here, rejecting this area. But again, this divergence is, like I said, one of those things you can keep on rising and keep on growing here, and you'll still have it. Right now, I just don't like. We're at resistance at 20. That's what I'm looking at right now. Let's go to Nimic. You gonna Nimic it? Yeah, we're gonna Nimic it right now. Nim to the dollar at 0.31 cents. What's that? We're bouncing? What? Yes? What? We had the bearish divergence. We moved down, right? We had the strong bullish. We hit the 20. We're rejecting. So let's go to the 4-hour. Nothing new in NIM on the daily. Had the bearish, right? Look at that. Bearish divergence. We were like even a little bit higher yesterday. Let's just anchor today where we have it again. What would that mean? Price action to downside. Even here, right? Look at that. From here to here on the 4-hour again. Just very, very tiny, subtle things here, right? On NIM. Strong bearish divergence. What were we going to do? Price action to downside. Move down. Hit that 20. Trying to hold support. That's the only good thing I like about this. Went up 6% today. Almost 7%. What? What is NIM doing, man? Is it going crazy? Is it insane? No, dude. It's just, probably found divergence on the 1-hour. We're going to check there. Sitting at 54 on the RSI, so neutral. Let's go to the 1-hour. You had bearish divergence to here against the RSI. And then from here to here against the MACD and the RSI together, man. What? That's insane. Yes, we know. Here and here, here. Action to downside, moving down. Next move, we're moving down still, right? And then here is where we create a divergence. And it looks like we're coming sideways here, right? Look at that. Beautiful. This opening here, this closing. 290, right? I'm just going to look at the digits. I'm going to ignore the zeros. So 0.290 cents, 0.292, 290, 292. Again, we're just going to like a very, very, like a sixth of a cent or a fifth of a cent. So I'm just going to call it sideways motion here. And in that, we're coming in here, right? We're creating that, that type 2 bullish divergence, that medium bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Here we also have that movement here, and again on that we're getting the rally, getting above that 20, which is good. Oh, right now I just turned a nasty red color, breaking below the 20. Again, it's worth so little that any small move just shifts it extremely quickly. But if this manages to go above the 20, we could be looking for higher values right now. And if it rejects the 20, we could be going down a little bit more. Maybe even come down here, make a new negative momentum, right? Create a new negative momentum bar, less negative momentum than the one we have here. And we can really anchor for some strong bullish divergence. And we add the price action to the upside, right? A stronger price action to the upside. That's it for names. So right now, I mean, we do have some bullish. I'm not sure if it's finished playing out yet, but that's what we have. Let's go to EWT, man. Ito Itosai. Hi, Ito. How's it going, dude? Anyways, EWT, and then EWT, and then we get a request for Neo. Or Enemy of the Matrix Neo, right? EWT, what's EWT doing, dude? We looked at that yesterday. It's right here. Oh, dude. EWT to the T. Right, bearish divergence, we move down. Great. Now, how we finish with this, I'm not sure because we don't have a lot of data going on here. Low, lower low. What else is this? 36.18, 36.96, slightly higher, right? Could we anchor something? Yes, we can, dude. Yes, we can make the lines work for us. Here we go. Here we go. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, or that follow, depending on what platform you're looking at. If you're on Twitch, thank you for being here. If you're on Discord, sorry, not Discord. We're not transmitting to Discord. If you're on YouTube, thank you. If you're on Twitch, thank you. If you're on D Live, also thank you. And if you are on Periscope, thank you also. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour. Steve, Nim looking for some good news too this week, so hopefully that will boost it. Yeah, man, I'm not sure yet. Let's see. We have the bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. Move down to that. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on their side, lower on their side. Nothing bullish, really. Just taking a bounce. Maybe something on the 1 hour again. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to go with, right? Because this is low, high, negative, right? So a low point on their side, we're sold, then just sold here, right? And right now, neutral at 46.14. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm not sure what news this is going to get, but you know, we're looking for action to the outside. We've tried to rally, hit that 20, rejected. We even hit that 20 again and rejected once more. Then we just went lower, right? Now, as we're going lower, even from this point over here, I do believe we might be making some bullish divergence. Let's see, this is 92. This is 84, 81, and then less, right? So, yeah, from here to here, right, across. Every time we're going lower, we're just making more of that, and building on that divergence, right? That bullish divergence from here to here, right? Yeah. Strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We're getting that rally happening. We don't have it against the RSI. That's okay. Getting the rally. Getting out of the 20, which is good. Right now, hitting the top part of the Bollinger Band's rejecting a little bit. It's really okay there, right? Now, the only thing that I'm worried about is that we're creating some hidden bearish. So, from high to lower high. Yeah, on the 1 hour, that's great. Going from here, I'm just going to take this point. I want to get a lot of lines flowing through this chart. Maybe I can go here. There we go. Right, so bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. That's what I'm looking at right now. Short term, from here to here, right? High, lower, high. Low to high on the RSI. So again, same hidden bearish, right? Could be stalling here and moving down. Maybe head for that 20 at 8.86. Right? $8.86 right now. EWT sitting at $9.24. That's it for this, bro. Dude, let's look at... We got a request for Neo. So we're going to check out the Neo coin from Peter Pagoda. Thank you, Peter Pagoda, for being here and joining us tonight. Ito Itosai, do you want to look at something? Let me know in the chat if you want to look at any project in particular. Well, I hunt for Neo. Because I can't remember where I have my Neo. Where is Neo? Mr. Anderson. I think that's what we're looking for, right? Neo. He must be flying around the Matrix because I can't find him here on the charts that I have. What? Why can I not find Neo, dude? Did I just already went over it? I wish I could have multiple watch lists, right? That would be so amazing if I could have a watch list for crypto, then a watch list for something else, right? Maybe I can. I think I can. I'm just gonna separate stocks from this and just leave this one be as crypto because it's just getting freaking messy. It's getting insanely long too. Yeah, don't delete anything that you guys asked for. That way we'll have it open again. But since I don't have it alphabetically organized because I do a lot of the first projects at the beginning, it just makes it extremely messy to look for stuff later on, dude. I should find a way to organize this list. I know we have Neo because we have looked at this before, man. You know what? I'm just gonna go here and type Neo to the dollar. Is it this one? There we go. Oh, what happened? Oh shit! I just arranged everything in alphabetical order. Now I'm gonna have a mess, like rearranging this list tonight. FML, dude. FML. Alright, let's go to Neo then. That's not Neo. That's Neo $2. Well, at least it makes some things faster to find, I guess. I'm just going to have to scroll through the stream next time. Damn it. That's so bad. I didn't want to arrange the list in alphabetical order. Can I undo that? Let's see. Control Z. Nope. Control Z. Nope. Control Z. Come on, rearrange it. Come on, I want to have it the way I had it before. It's not there. Oh, we just gotta look at Neo. Fuck Neo. It ruined my chart, you Neo. Anyways, we're rejecting, right? Moving lower again. We managed to go higher than this on a rally, which is okay. Now, we were considered the high to the low. We were going or heading to 1618, which is fine, right? We're coming in lower now. The question is, should we redo those fibs? And the answer should be yes. I do want to redo those fibs because now I'm going to go from the low point here to the high point here and see where we're at. Making a retrace, hitting that 618. Wow, taking a bounce there. Heading for that 20, but rejecting. Oh no. Right, so what's going on here, right? We're looking for divergence here. Obviously, we didn't get, right? We managed to keep on rallying. We haven't looked at Neo in a couple days, so that's why we don't have this chart updated. We no longer have this. We have it here, though, right? And I should have deleted this then. There we go, to there. Haha. Neo. Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. That's what happened on the daily against the RSI, not against the MACD, right? Moving down, taking a bounce. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, bearish divergence, move down. Bullish divergence, try to rally, hit that 382 again. It's fine. We didn't determine this until we actually had this line here, and now we're moving back down. So what's going on here? Let's see. Right, we're coming from here to here, right? Going to a higher point. I do believe we have bearish divergence. So that's why I'm anticipating myself. I might do a, oh snap, we didn't have that bearish divergence. But I do believe we have it here. Let's see, this is 32. This is 34. Oh, 34. Oh, shit. It just looked like we might have had. And do we have it here? Let's see, 74.35. And obviously this is less. So yes, we do have bearish divergence, right? Against the RSI, coming in lower. Again, trying to get a bounce, failing and moving lower. Then rejecting at 20 and moving much lower then. Now, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI. Nothing bullish yet. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? Yes, I did. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have there, man? Higher, lower, right? So first things, here, whatever we want to go there. It's all going to be the same stuff. We're just going to be creating bearish divergence, man. Dr. Green telling me he sees the leaning screens, right? 75.37 and 75.66, so slightly more. That's fine. Don't have anything bearish against the RSI, just against the MACD moving down on that. Short term, though, I do believe we might have moved slightly higher. Very slightly higher here, also, right? Look at that, to there. And here we'll be going to negative, but here we also have that bearish divergence. Here we'll just be going like from here to here, right? So that's why I don't like it. Now, from here to here, we did manage to go lower. Right, so from here to here, we're going lower, and we're coming from a negative momentum to a little more positive momentum, creating hidden bearish, moving down that. Here we had some bullish on the bottom part here again, again, trying to get the flow for what this project's doing, because we just haven't looked at this in a couple days. Again, rejecting, moving lower. Now, 23, 20, snap, that's good. We have bullish divergence from here to here, and then from here, right, at 0.23 to 0.20, so negative. But it's less, so strong bullish divergence, trying to rally, getting above that 237 there, sorry, that 236. Rejecting the 20 and moving lower than that. We didn't create any bearish here, right? At least two I can see. So high, lower, high, positive, less positive, high, and I said lower, nothing bearish, moving down. Now Shearer, what do we have? Low, lower, low, native, more native, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI here on this last move here. Again, to here, and then, shit, can't see that. And then, here to here, right? So you can tell we're going lower, we're going higher, again, creating strong bullish divergence, taking a bounce at support, right? That 618. Right now, moving down, getting near that 618 again, but haven't done much. And really trying to get like touch. We even touched that 50% retrace, right? Again, you know, so that's how we know our fibs are good, because we're hitting like areas that we should be hitting, right? Gilatorian, what is up, dude? Yes, I look at gold. It went down. We're gonna look at it again though for you, right? That's no problem. I'll circle back to gold just because you showed up, bro. If you hadn't shown up, then I wouldn't have circled back to gold. But just mainly because you requested it, right? Because we're awesome peoples here. I'm trying to look at something here. By the way, I'm getting a massive headache now. So 0.8 and then 0.7, right? So nothing there. Again, that's it, dude. That's it for Neo, right? That's why we're getting the moving up. We're moving down again on rejection of the 50%. Again, we have the bullish divergence, which might still try to propel us. Maybe hit that 20, see what happens there. That's what we're going to call at for Neo right now. Again, it just makes sense, right? It is what we have, so we're not making shit up. And it is the truth. So on that note, I want to go back to gold. And again, oh shit, dude. Gold, like I just remember that my charts got, not my charts, my organization in my charts just got completely thrown to shit. So, because I hit a button and it undid everything. So now it's not organized the same way I have it. Now I have to hunt for the stuff. I'm going to try to regroup it towards the end of the stream. I'll just make it easier to find some of the other projects. But again, it's going to take me a while to like redo or reorganize it the way I had it. At least for the first couple of stocks. What's happening with gold, right? Took a massive dump, right? I'm failing at the 20. Again, we're looking for a triangle pattern. At first, we had it like this. You know, we had something like this. I can't remember. It was something like that, maybe. I know we had, like, you know, violated the pattern a couple times. Or, like, invalidated the pattern, not violated the pattern. Sorry, dude. Then we're going to go here. That move, we could be looking for a measure move to... Sorry, this is silver, dude. What am I looking at? What am I talking about, man? I'm looking at the wrong... metal, right? Anyways, moving down in rejection of 20, right? Hitting that, what was this, the 786 or 1618? Yeah, 1618 before we changed it. So the 1618 at $24.67. Trying to hold on to that. Look at gold, right? Again, gold, we had like the triangle going on like this at first. And then I deleted it right now because we kind of invalidated the pattern. So, moving down below the all-time high, and that's fine. Do we have something, dude? I don't think so. I don't think I went over anything. So high to low, positive, right? All this is negative, so you know that's great. Now, what is this? 42.27, 42.64, so slightly higher, right? Higher. Just here, short term, from here to here, and from here to here, we're creating some strong bullish divergence with potential for price action to the upside, right? That's the only thing I'm looking at right now on gold. I'm not sure if it's gonna really play out. Again, we're rejecting the previous all-time high at 1,922, or very close to it. And that's what we're going through, right? Anyways, haha, they're playing about the same though. Yeah, dude, gold and silver are usually correlated, extremely correlated. So yeah, we know that those two tend to play along together. By the way, do you guys want to look at something else? Let me know, and we will definitely look at it here at the State of Crypto. I should just use like a voice like that, right? It might be more soothing for a lot of people if I just started talking like this, right? So, who knows? Maybe this will become the voice of the State of Crypto. Haha. Kidding, dude. It's gonna get so boring so quickly, man. And my throat's gonna start hurting like crazy, man. I don't want that. I don't want that, dude. Not my charts got messed up. My organization on the charts got messed up. I accidentally, like, I don't have my watch list in alphabetical order, right? I just had it prearranged in, like, how more or less flow through the stream, at least for the first projects. And I just don't have one chart open of each project. I have multiple charts for Bitcoin, multiple charts for other projects. And I did a screw up and I hit alphabetical order, and it moved everything. Now everything's alphabetical order, so now I have to, like, rearrange the watch list so I can have it the way I want to look at it, right? And then once I have that, I'm gonna be able to, like, you know, flow through the stream as usual, because again, I messed it up. So and I have to deal with this shit, man. You know, like it's good. At least Bitcoin dominance is not with Bitcoin. Before I had to like hunt for it, but you know, it's just gonna be a little bit messy for me to go back and start getting all these projects and make sure I'm looking at the proper charts, because I'm not sure if they even got shifted, right? For example, we had Bitcoin or Ethereum to Bitcoin a couple times open, or at least 3 charts open for that, and we rarely look at Ethereum to Bitcoin. So now I have to like move those somewhere else where they're not bothering me or like not knowing me. So I'm not sure. Is this the Ethereum chart we look at? Yes, I think so. So I'm just gonna flag whatever we look at, because you know, otherwise it's just gonna be hell for me to come in here and try to like scroll through the whole list. Even though it's organized alphabetically, I much rather have the stuff I look at quickly at hand, and then you know what I don't look at. You know, it can be in alphabetical order after that. I don't care. I really don't mind. It'll make it easier for me to look at some of the other projects. But you know, organizing the list in alphabetical order right now was a mistake, because now I gotta like hunt for stuff. So I just complicated my life a little bit. You know, like I needed a little bit more complication in it. Yeah, that's just precisely what happened. I'm not sure how many people are tuned in, but thank you all for being here, by the way. You guys are amazing for sure, man. Whoever tuned in tonight deserves a medal or an award of sorts. So I commend you all for turning up here to the stream tonight. You're all awarded knighthood by me. So you all become knights now. Knights of the State of Crypto. Just for showing up tonight, right? Isn't that cool, dude? You all knighted now. As I'm wasting all y'all's times, I'm rearranging the list real quick, just because I want to have like a quick, because I circle back to stuff, and I just want to make sure I have those projects at the beginning, right? Those heaven and earth. Yeah, dude, what a mess. It is a mess. So I've now more or less placed some stuff there. It's gonna make it hell tomorrow to look at stocks, but I'm just gonna rearrange those in a second after this is done. But you know, while we do that, I'm gonna look for the yen to the dollar. I guess that's what you want to look at. So that's what we're gonna look at, man. That's what you want to look at. That's what you want. That's what you get, man. Right? This is the type of show where what you want is what you get. So make sure you know what you want, so you can get what you want. Right? So again, just fixing some shit real quick. Steve, that's a favorite thing to get knighted for the lowest effort I can possibly put forward. Yeah, dude, ain't it great? Y'all knights now. Oh, dude. Ain't that cool? Knights of the Round Table, right? Our logo, it's like a little round thing that says State of Crypto. So now you're all Knights of the State of Crypto. Yay. Let's go, dude. Enough wasting time, dude. Let's go to look at the yen to the dollar. Why not? JPY. I'm not sure if that's the way we had it, if we had the other way, but let me find it here. Shit, it's not here. Here we go, dollar to the yen. Yeah, dude. We had some bullish divergence. We were hunting for it. We did manage to get a little bit of pullback happening there. We still have that bullish divergence. Strong bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. We're moving up, but we're rejecting the resistance that we called yesterday, right? By the way, you had requested this, right? Yeah, dollar to the yen. Again, getting rejection of 104.69 yen, I guess, per dollar. Or dollar per yen. I'm not sure how this is working. Like, yeah, dollar per yen. It's 104. That's off, dude. No, can't be that way. 104 yen per dollar. Ha. Yeah, we're looking at 104 yen per dollar. Completely like brain slip there, dude. You know, that's how tired I am now. Galore, because that would mean the user large more far down across the board. Yeah, maybe, dude. You know, dude, I'm not seeing anything here though, right? We looked at this before, high to low. Like here to here, we might have missed this, right? We've been here to here. And then here to here, right? So, you know, moving down there. On hidden bearish right now we have strong bullish. Let's see if that manages to hold. Again, if you want to look at something better, look at the DXY, right? DXY, there we go, dude. You're looking for some bearish here, like we just anchored there now, and you know, coming in lower here, like from in here, and then this still going slightly higher now, I guess. So we no longer have that. You know, we have a strong bearish divergence starting to develop, so we should be going down on that dollar to you know, the basket of currencies that it trades against on the DXY, dude. That is for sure, man. And I think on that note, you know, we might end the stream. I'm not sure, dude. This is Nikkei. Yeah, this is Nikkei. Have any of you seen the movie Parasites? Is it any good? I think I'm gonna watch that tonight, so I'm not sure. Yeah, bro, no worries, man. You know, at least you caught me live. That's good, though. I think I'm gonna call it a stream, maybe. Yeah, dude, I think I'm gonna call it a stream for tonight. Unless you guys want to look at something else, just let me know quickly, though, because I'm starting to get, like, burned out, I think. And I have to, like, hunt for a lot of stuff right now, so I don't want to do that. I arranged most of the stuff already. Yes, we made a little bit of time here, and it should all be here now for tomorrow, at least more or less the way I need it. So, fucking hell, there we go. Haven't seen it, dude. It's on Netflix now. You know, I get a lot of Oscars, so I think I'm gonna watch it tonight. I'm not even sure if I want to get through the whole movie. I think it's like 2 hours, so I'm gonna, you know, crash. We've been live for an hour and 30 minutes. For some reason, I'm feeling super tired today. Sorry if the stream is not what you guys are used to, but we did cover most of the coins. I don't believe I missed anything. Sometimes, you know, when I get tired, I just tend to like miss a little bit of things. But I don't believe we missed anything tonight. We'll just do a quick run through a couple of the projects real quick and make sure we didn't screw up. So let's see, Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin, right? Move down again, support, getting for that 20. Oh, close to it. The 4 hour, right? Again, moving up on hidden divergence, right? We call that, or hidden bullish, again, trying to move up on that. Let's see how that's going to play out. Again, consolidation happening. We had strong bullish rising. Again, we were here. We're trying to come down, not trying to go up. Maybe for that 20 again. Yeah, I don't think we missed anything here. Let's go check Ethereum again. Again, it's just going to be crypto in a flash, right? Higher, lower again. Hidden bullish, try to rally, fell, moving lower now. Low to high, negative to less negative, low to higher low. So nothing there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, coming in lower. Again, more negative momentum. Lower on there. I say nothing there. We have a little bit of bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. That's what's rallying us right now. And on that note, let's see. We're sitting sold at 30.94. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we don't have anything. Coming in lower with more negative momentum. Lower on the RSI. Last thing we had was a hidden bearish. Move down on that. High, lower, high, and then lower, high. Now we're making more positive momentum. Now I do believe now we're creating something. 74 and 91. Finally, we created something. Not what we want to create. But technically, we're going slightly higher here, and we're coming from a high point to a low point, creating that hidden bearish divergence near a resistance, right? The 20. Again, lower here, sold at 36.82. We might be moving down on crypto again tomorrow. Dude, I don't like that. Just from this quick look at this. So what's going on here again on XRP? Let's check the daily. Again, hidden bullish, or sorry, strong bullish trying to rally. On the daily, on the 4 hour again, we had the hidden bullish. We tried to rally, failed at support at 24.629. Bringing lower again, nothing developing there. Oversold at 36.38. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the bearish divergence, right? Again, breaking us down is the hidden bearish though, but still there. Very real, man. Nothing here against the RSI. That's fine. Let's go and check out Litecoin. Litecoin, what's Litecoin doing? Again, strong bullish, trying to rally again, sitting sold at 33.46. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence, last thing we had, strong bearish, action to the downside, tried to rally, failed to hit the 20, we broke lower. Lower low, more negative momentum lower on the RSI, we're sold at 26.88, and nothing there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, boom, boom, right? Moving lower, going higher again, hidden bearish, action to the downside, we move down. We're not creating anything here short term, low, higher, low, negative to positive, low to high. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side, right? So sold at 35.50. Let's go to Binance. Coming in higher, bearish divergence, moving down, hidden bullish, trying to rally. Again, we have the hidden bullish on the daily, sitting neutral at 45.23 on the RSI. Again, creating that strong bullish now, right, against the MACD, not against the RSI, sitting sold at 31.10. And on the 1 hour, we have this bullish divergence here. We did try to rally, hit the 20, rejected. Trying to go for the 20 again, right? Remember? We said we are going to do that at the beginning of the stream. Right, we hit that 20 and we're rejecting. Not what we want to see. That rejection, we could move lower, create a little bit more strong bullish divergence, maybe from the MACD to a new, less positive momentum island, or a less negative momentum island, or a lower negative momentum. And then on the RSI, we could also be going to a lower point here, or a higher point on the RSI. Create that strong bullish divergence and maybe try to rally. So again, potential rejection of the 20 happening here on Binance. Are we creating something now? Let's see, 7.829. So yep, so from 7 to 9, it's definitely going higher. Don't have it against the RSI, but against the MACD, we have this bearish divergence building here, man. Potential for moving down happening. Potential for moving down. Be careful. All right, that's it, dudes. Right now, the market seems to be defined by US dollar strength. It's all about how the US dollar is doing, dude. I'm not sure, dude. Yeah, maybe you're right. If the dollar gains, crypto tends to lose a little bit. On that note, I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for showing up for this awesome stream, and thank you for being here at the State of Crypto. Your home for crypto news and technicals. Again, I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here this Tuesday night with y'all. Sorry, this Monday night with y'all. I hope you had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here, dude. If you have friends on Twitter, let them know that this channel's here, dude. Do us a solid. Help us grow the channel. That's all that we ask for. Thank you for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.